welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Hard Rock Bet. Alright, the first thing we're going to want to do here is log into our Hard Rock Bet account at app.hardrock.bet or through the mobile app using your personalized credentials. So sign in, go ahead and navigate to balance, tap on it, and at the top of your screen you'll then see withdraw. Go ahead and select withdraw, and this will allow you to view all of your available withdrawal options. Select your payment method. From here you're going to choose from PayPal, Venmo, ACH, Play Plus, check, cash, at casino, or bank transfer. You need to just note, PayPal and Venmo require prior deposits, so just keep that in mind. Now input your withdrawal amount. The minimum is $10, and review the details carefully before confirming your request. Now, processing times and some other important details. E-wallets, which include PayPal, Venmo, and Play Plus, 24 to 48 hours processing time. ACH and bank transfers, which are direct bank transfers, 1 to 5 business days. Okay, check by mail, physical check delivery, this is up to 5 days, and cash at casino, that is an in-person pickup, and that is within 24 hours. I hope this was helpful.